Okay, so today we're going to do the unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2. I ordered this because I wanted to try it with a whole bunch of different stuff out there, and I wanted to compare it to other cameras, and I'd heard amazing things about it. So, and I hear it's really good for vlogging and so on and so forth. So the first thing I've got to say is that it's a lot smaller and a lot lighter than I anticipated. I thought this box would be quite a bit larger, but it's actually very small. So let's see what's all inside of here. So here we go. I'm going to just cut the paper off of it and take the plastic seal off of it, and let's just pull this off. I'm actually quite surprised as to how small this actually is. So that's actually quite interesting. On the back of the cellophane wrap, they've got the actual stuff about the DJI Care Refresh, and they've got some stuff that's saying what's inside of it. So let's see. Let's open it up and see what we've got. We're just going to put this away. And here we go. This is the actual box, and it looks like we open it from here. So we're going to open it up, and that's what it looks like inside. So looks like we've got on the inside we got the QR code to get your app and stuff, and it shows a little bit about how to hook up the actual DJI. So let's open this up and see what we've got. So we'll pull this out first, and let's see what's inside of here. I'm going to push this back a little bit, and let's see what's inside of this box. Inside of this box we have got, looks like it's the dead cat for the wireless microphone. That's interesting. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Wow, I must say I'm quite shocked as to how small all this is. Look at this. So that's the dead cat for the wireless microphone. Inside of here looks like we have, what is this now? Let's open it up and see. Oh, that's the, looks like it's the wide angle lens. Oh, this is just tiny. I can't believe how small all this is. Yeah, that's the wide angle lens. So I'm going to set it up this way so that the actual, so it's not actually touching anything. Let's see what else we got in here. This looks like it is the joystick, maybe? Let's open it up here and stuff. Man, I'm really, yep. There's the joystick, so we're gonna put that there. In what else have we got? Let's open it up. This looks like it is, right, it's the actual connection for your iPhone or iPad. This one here, this is kind of like Christmas. This is the connection for your Android device. And that's a silica wrap. Inside of here we have got a USB, the double USB split cable, and the actual handle for it and stuff. So that was everything inside that box. This here looks like it is probably the actual Pocket 2 itself, and that's exactly what it is. So let's open this up. Here we go. There's the Pocket 2. It's inside of there. They've got protection on it for the actual for the gimbal and stuff. As you can see here, they've got a tag, and then they've got a gimbal, and the tag says remove before powering on. So let's just pull this thing out of here, and let's see what we got. How do we get it out of here? There we go. So we're pulling it out. We've got it. And there's the actual Pocket 2 itself, and it comes with the gimbal. I'm not going to remove any of that stuff yet. I'm just going to put it back in its package like it was. So that's the Pocket 2. Later on I will do a full review after I've played with this. Like I said, I don't review things until I've actually used them. So let's push that stuff out of the way and see what else is inside of here. Looks like inside of here is just instructions by the looks of it. Yeah, it's a nice little pocket full of the instruction manuals and stuff, so we'll put that there. And it looks like now we've got the other accessories. So this is the cap that goes on the bottom of it. This is the wireless microphone, so the wireless microphone transmitter. This is the all-in-one handle, and we've got the tripod here and stuff, so I'll take a look at that in a minute. And on the back we've just got a blank piece of padding, that's all. So that's everything that's in the box. So it looks really cool. I'm going to charge this up and I will do a full review on it after I've had some time to play with it. So there's what you can expect inside of the actual box when you get it. And once again, if you get a chance, please subscribe on my channel if you like this. Okay, thank you. Bye now.